A simple but super fun one this week to keep either your children or even your partner entertained for hours. So keep watching to find out how I make this soap dough putty. Here's your formula for a 100 gram batch. This makes enough for perhaps one colour with one scent, and then you can make different colours with different scents so that your child can play with lots of different ones at bath time. So this recipe isn't firm. I will give you some substitutions because you don't have to use all of these ingredients, and you can also make the body wash from scratch if you want to, so I'll go through that as we make it. First thing we need is body wash. You can either use a base or you can make your own. I'm using Stevenson's Suspending Body Wash base here. Then I'm adding Cocamida Propyl Betaine. This just increases the bubbliness of the finished product. Then I'm adding my fragrance oil. You can use any you'd like, just check the IFRA for allowed usage rates. Then I'm adding a preservative, although yours may already contain one depending on what body wash base you use. Just make sure you're using the right amount for the amount of product you're using. Then add your mica or pigment and mix all the wet ingredients together. Don't worry if the pigment doesn't mix completely and there's little lumps, that will all come out when you mix it all together when you add your dry ingredients. For the dry ingredients, I'm using cornstarch or corn flour. Sometimes this is quite coarse and sometimes it's very fine and white. Whichever you want to use is fine. I'm also using arrowroot powder because it's very good for the skin, but if you have an allergy in the family or you don't like using arrowroot, you can just change that for all cornstarch or corn flour. That's absolutely fine. Then what you need to do is just mix all of that up until it gets incorporated into sort of like a dough-like texture. And then once you can't really stir it anymore, get your hands in there to really knead it into something resembling Play-Doh. Like I said, you don't have to follow this recipe exactly, so this formula uses a pre-made base, but if you prefer and you want the challenge, you can make your own body wash first and use that. Like I said, you can only use cornstarch if you don't like using arrowroot powder. And alternatively, the mica or pigment, if all you have is food colouring, then be very sparing, but you could use that. Alternatively, if you're just a casual home formulator or you're watching this just because you wanted a fun activity to do with your kids, then you could just use any shower gel that you have in the bathroom. Find some shower gel and then don't worry about the fragrance oil and the preservative and things like that. You could add some corn flour to that and see how that turns out, though bear in mind you'll want to use it straight away because you're not adding an extra preservative to it, because you are using it in water and because you're adding things to the shower gel's preservative system will become unstable, so if you're not adding anything to it, use it straight away. If you do want it to sit there and use it within a week or longer, then you'll need to add extra preservative, and then I'd recommend using the formula that I've done here. As you can see, it foams really nicely and the putty sort of dissolves in the water as you're using it, so I'd suggest if you're making this for kids as a little bit of a present, then make a few colours and then they can really get creative before they start dissolving in the water, and then they'll colour the water a little bit like bath bombs, and also it's really nice to use. It's really soft, it's really conditioning. Obviously that has a lot to do with the body wash that you use to make it, but if you're making your own body wash you can put anything you like in that, so just make it how you want, and it's loads of fun for kids and adults alike. You can store this in a little airtight container such as a pet pot or a jar, and just keep it in the bathroom and it should be fine for a little while depending on your preservative system. Give it a go, it's lots of fun. As you can see, you can mould it into loads of different shapes, and children absolutely love this. It's a great activity to do with them at the weekend. Yeah, try lots of different colours. If you do need pigments for these, I do sell neon pigments on my website, that's linked below. I've got all sorts of different colours, and you can, the good thing about neons is that you can create them really bright, or you can mix them together to create more pastel or muted tones, so they're quite a lot of fun. And obviously when you play with the soap dough, you can mix the different coloured soap doughs together to make more colours as well, so it really is a good fun project to make, and yeah, it does really well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to watch my others. I'm building quite a lot of content now. If you have any requests for videos, then let me know below. And also, if you do want to ask me questions, because I do get quite a few, I'm afraid I can't answer all of them, but I do have a Patreon, and if you join that, I guarantee an answer within 24 hours. They're all linked below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.